Hey there, this is Amrita Varshini from It's My Art Studio. This video is all about going creative with Ayush Paper special product Paint Your Own Calendar. This has 270 GSM 100% cotton artist grade papers. One of the reasons I love this product is it contains 3 extra pages in case if you do any mistakes. So today we are painting a couple in rain on our 2021 calendar. Now let's see the materials required for the painting. Here I am using watercolor calendar book from Ayush Paper and some watercolors. Use any brand whichever you have, and we need some flat brushes, detailing brushes and pigment pens, palette to mix the colors and a bowl of water. So let's get started. Firstly, mask on the boundaries of the paper by leaving a gap for the dates. And then prepare a sketch. The above sketch is available in the below link. Let's paint the background first by leaving a gap of the couple drawn. Paint a cross strokes of mild grey with any flat brush available with you. If you do not have a direct grey, you can mix a bit of black with a white to make it a grey. Paint a white strokes in between the grey strokes and make sure they blend very well and look like a rain. Now just relax and paint on. If you're searching to customize your own calendar for 2021, then this video is for you. Buy this amazing product from ayushpaper.com, which is also available in 5 different types. And don't forget to use coupon code STUDIO to avail 10% discount on whole range of products. Now paint a horizontal lines as an horizon using a dark grey and similar darker value at the corner. And give a white highlights to make it look like a rain with the same brush. Make sure your edge of the brush is loaded with the paint very well. Just like we painted before, apply further cross strokes with white just to make it more realistic. And coming to step 2, let's make it umbrella. Here I have used Crimson Lake and the lighter value by adding white for the shading. Or you can also use red, magenta or any similar colors whichever you like. Here I have used tiny bit of black with Crimson Lake for more effect. And give highlights of the darker value of the same color whichever you mixed for the umbrella. And coming to the third step, let's paint the couple now. Here I am using Persian blue and lighter value by adding white for the blazer and the complete black for the bottom. Stay calm and enjoy the painting. Here I am adding the more details to the umbrella. There is no rule to use similar colors in your painting, but make sure you understand the color combination and the color wheel before you select the colors for your painting. Here I am using crimson lake mixed with more white for the skirt of the girl and give a black shadows on the land. Now take a small round brush or detailing brush loaded with white to paint a water droplets. Just randomly apply the white dots by seeing the angle of the rain and the umbrella. And coming to the skirt, you can paint it whichever design you like. Here I am using the crimson lake strokes. Now we will paint a skin color by mixing yellow ochre and a white. Since it's a watercolor, make sure you leave white space for skin color area while painting a background. Now paint the shoes and the hair with clear black. Giving all the details might take time, but end results will really make you happy. Just have patience and paint on. For more skin highlights, I used light burnt sienna to make it more realistic. If you want to see more of my artworks, you can search as It's My Art Studio at Instagram. For one last time, let's give more highlights of water droplets. This painting is done with a theme of Valentine's Day for February month. Here I am using black waterproof pigment pen to write the letters and the dates. Write it in a way that gives sparkle for your painting. Measure 1 cm each in every column and a row, so total you will be having 6 columns and 7 rows. Once you're done with the dates, your customized calendar will be ready. I hope you enjoyed the video.